Hi guys, I want to first say that I am recording this Friday after school, and so sometimes I will be talking about tomorrow or tonight. It's November the 13th. You'll probably see this on Monday morning. Let's see, November the 16th or so. I may try to get it uploaded early. I know that if you were face to face on Friday the 13th, I told you in person that I do have hard copies available of this scrapbook, and you can pick up a hard copy if you are virtual and you want to have a hard copy as well. I will have them available for you at the front office, at our front office. Just let me know in advance and I'll have one ready for you. But this is also going to be completely digital, so you don't have to have a hard copy in order to complete this. So this is a scrapbook. It's going to take you the entire week to do it. I'm going to have, if you're looking at it online, for example, each day you'll do 2 pages, which is the equivalent of a 1-page front and back if you have a hard copy. And I'm going to go through just some options for you. This will be just like the map from Friday. It'll be something that I put in as a OneDrive, and then you can download it and you can use whatever drawing tools you have available, or you can print a copy of it and then you can draw on it and then take a picture of it and upload it. Be sure to submit it back into Schoology if you want it to be graded. So as I said before, there will be a daily assignment. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 2 pages each. Except for Monday, you'll have to do the cover and then the first 2 pages. And then, so technically it will all be due by Friday. I am going to extend the deadline just because I know this is the Friday or the week before Thanksgiving. So technically you should be finished by Friday. But I am willing to extend it to the day that we return, or sometime the day, maybe Monday or Tuesday that we return, just because I know if you're traveling or if you're leaving early this week, you may or may not be able to work on this. But this is not an assignment for you to do during Thanksgiving break. This is something that you need to be getting done next week. Okay, with that said, so you're going to take one of the countries in Europe, and I will or have assigned a Discovery Ed video for you to watch, and that'll kind of give you an overview of all the different countries in Europe. But you're going to take one of those countries and you're going to complete this scrapbook. I'm actually going to choose France. I guess I'll do another video on the Discovery Ed videos, or how to access that, but I'm going to keep going with this now. Because you also have your textbook, chapters 11, 12, and 13 is another source for you to get information on if you're looking for countries. And obviously I showed you the textbook in the video from Friday. So one of the things that you're going to have to do is go to Insert, and you're going to have to insert text boxes. Whether this is a PDF or whether it is a PowerPoint, you're going to have to insert text boxes. So I'm just opening this up a little bit. Okay, and then inside my text box, I'm going to change this. I think when you highlight it, this is my version. I'm going to change this to, let's see. Come on, it's kind of stuck. Hold on. Let's change it to something, Bell T. And then I'm also going to make it a little bit larger, 28. And I'm going to make the color brown and bold, just so that you can see it. So I'm going to do France. Okay. Now, once again, you can, make this a center, move it to the center, however you want to do it. These are the basic, tools that you have up top, and it's really easy to play with it. So there's bigger, and then this makes it align to the center. And then I'm just gonna take it and hopefully I can grab it and move it up a little bit. So there we go. So now there's France. And then I'm gonna go to the second page. Now, it's really important that you see that your first two pages are on the map and a map of country. I'm going to do information about the climate here, and then two impressive geographic features included, and you're going to do two pictures. So if you're doing this completely online, I think the easiest way is to go up here and insert a picture, and I'm going to insert a picture. It says OneDrive, Bing Pictures, Stock Images. I'm going to do Bing. I think you might have the option to just do like from the web or from the internet. We'll see what happens when I do this. I'm going to do, oopsies, France. Wow. My typing is probably not. All right, so France, I'm looking for the flag, but obviously you can do any picture you want. I'm going to do the flag. It says insert, and there it is. So you can actually change I'm using the up and down arrows to kind of move that in, but you can also just drag it from the margins, and there it is. So this is going to be a little kind of a fair use photo thing, and I'm actually going to delete it. I know that most of the time, let's see if I can delete it. Let's see if I can do this. Yes, I can. So I just deleted it. I think it's in the way. You can use it if you want to, but it just distracts from the picture. So now I know that you probably didn't create it from scratch, and this is for education purposes, and it is available common use. So you do need permission to use images, and but Bing, or if you're using this through OneDrive, you should be fairly okay. So this says, what is the climate like in this country? Once again, you need to insert a text box. I don't know why, but for some reason it just comes automatically here. And you need to wait till you get this little cross thing, and then you can move it. And once you type in something, you can actually change the size of it. The climate, oopsies, the climate is, and I've misspelled climate. It's Friday afternoon. I'm trying to get ready to go home. Okay, so I'm going to just, once again, we're going to go back to the home, and we're going to just make this whatever you want to make it. Okay, so I think you have enough information to go in and make your first couple of pages for this project. As I said before, you will have two different pages each day that will be due at the end of the day. There's nothing that's going to stop you from moving ahead, because I'm going to put this entire document inside the assignment, but then each day I'm going to make another daily assignment that is going to require you to be sure that you've had 2 pages done by every single day. And while I'm talking, I'm just sort of playing around with the fonts just to show you that you can. And if you have any questions, you can send me an email or just ask me. I am totally looking forward to this project. I forgot to put my name in the top. I'm totally looking forward to this project because I know that you will have fun. I think another thing you might want to try is doing it with paper, or at least making a paper copy or a couple pages. You can, might be easier to use paper and take pictures and upload those to the daily. However you want to do it, however you want to mix it up is fine with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.